Okay, I'm making this video just to make my students' life slightly easier, and the people who are struggling to use pull and push method on steering. So what do we need to do? First thing first, this is area where we keep our right hand all the time here, and we keep our left hand in this side. Okay, we try not to cross hand. It's called scissoring as well. So we do pull and push method. In other words, we will feed in, feed out method. Feed in, feed out means if you're using our right hand, so we basically feed into our left, then we go all the way down, we feed out to our right. That's all we do. Okay, so let me put the seat belt on before I start moving. Engine already start, first gear. So focus is only steering, left and right. Okay, so we start. So let me show you the left turn. So end of this road, we are turning left. So now I can start from my right hand. I feed into my left, pull, push. Bring it down, bring it back. And it's slow and gradual method. Yeah, we're gonna turn left again. So look, my left hand to right, to left. Now bring it back when car is straight. Notice this, when I'm using my right hand, the left hand is mirroring, is going up and down with left hand. Look, I'm turning left again here. Down, up, look at this, down, up, down. Okay, I'm gonna turn left again. So, pull, push, pull, bring it back, 1, 2, and half. I'm going to do right turn now. Pull, push, pull, bring it back, car is straight. Turning left again, pull, push, hold it, pull, push. So if I'm using my left hand by pulling the steering, my right hand is getting ready to take control over it. Look, pull, now my right hand here, push, pull again, that's it. 1, 2, 1, car is straight. Turning left again. So 1, 2, hold it, little bit more, 1, 1, 2, 1. Car is back and straight. We turn left again. So 1, 2, look, all the way up and down. Nice full lock. When car looks straight, 1, 2, 1. So I'm using my hand hardly 3 times. Now right turn. 1, 2, and hold it. 1, 2, 1. Yeah. So we should not be doing this. Okay. Look at my hand now. This car is not turning. Okay. And also we should, I mean, in the beginning we can do this 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. It's no problem. Bring it back 1, 2 in the beginning only. Eh? Once we have a understanding how to use it, then we need to do 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Look at my, the control needs to be in your face and elbow. Look at the body language. My hand is not like this. I can't do this. Look, my elbow will open. See that? Like a chicken dance. Let's turn right again. Pull, push, pull, done. Bring it back, 1, 2, done. So I hope this pull and push method will help you to understand how to use the steering effectively. It is a DVSA recommended method, and we should be using this for safety reasons.